Collect all your ingredients before you start. 3 pounds of cubed lamb marinated in 2 cups of coconut milk, or if you do not keep kosher, 2 cups of yogurt. Garam masala, which includes 10 black peppercorns, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 6 cloves, half a teaspoon of cardamom seeds, and 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 10 cloves of chopped garlic, and 2-inch piece of chopped ginger, oil, half a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, green turnips, which are sweeter than brown turnips, and 2 large onions chopped, approximately 10 to 15 small red potatoes. Brown the onion, ginger, and garlic in hot oil until golden brown and set aside. Chop about 4 tablespoons of fresh green coriander and set aside. And grind the black peppercorn, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom seeds, and coriander seeds and set aside. Cut the turnips into quarters after peeling. Toss the potatoes in olive oil, salt, and pepper and bake at 400 degrees until crispy on the outside and only half cooked. Grind the browned onions, ginger, and garlic to a fine paste in a food processor. Start to cook the lamb curry by adding to a large pot first the ground onions, ginger, and garlic, and then the marinated lamb. Sauté the lamb until it is lightly brown. Add the ground almonds, the ground spices, bay leaves, the turnips, the potatoes, 2 cups of water, and cook covered until the meat is tender. If there is too much liquid left in the curry, uncover and allow the liquid to evaporate. Garnish with coriander and serve with rice and raita, which is yogurt with vegetables. Again, if you are kosher, you may not serve the yogurt and substitute instead sweet and sour eggplant.